Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Jigyasa, your ultimate spot for cutting edge AI tools. Hot new drop, comfy UI cache edit. This custom node brings 1.4 to 2.0x faster inference to deep models like Z image, LTX2 video, and Qwen image using smart residual caching, zero extra setup, huge memory savings, and quality stays rock solid. Install it now and turbocharge your workflows.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashish from AI Jigyasa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create UGC video, not UGC per se, but like your own AI avatar which can talk like you, and you can use it for anything like creating social media content and automate it because it's in Comfy UI, right? I'm using LTX 2.3 because it's the latest one by LTX, and I'm going to show you some how you can create that video. Basically, you can the video that you already saw that where my AI avatar is talking about latest node maybe or model that can be created by a paid model, which is like Dance 1.5 or maybe a Kling 3 with better quality. But again, that's a paid model. I cannot compare LTX with that. But if you want to create it locally with I'm using a 12 GB VRAM, as you already know, 3060. I still didn't upgrade it because no money. But yeah, LTX 2.3 is going to be, I think, my go-to model for now. I'm going to check with the 2.2 also, but it takes a lot of VRAM than LTX 2.3, and I can't go beyond 10 seconds of a video. But I have created a 24-second video that you already see, I guess, and the quality is also nice. The lip sync is also good. Texture quality and motion is slightly better than LTX2. So let's see what we can do to create this kind of video. So first thing first, okay, this workflow is the same as LTX2. I didn't change a lot of things here, some minor things, nothing else. I'm working on something which is very different from like Comfy UI, and I'll show you at the end, so stay tuned. So what is happening here? All right, if you haven't watched the LTX2 video, go ahead and watch it if you want to understand the whole workflow, what is going on here. I'll tell you quickly what are these nodes and what's going on here. So here's the video setting column where I've used 1024 by 1024 dimensions. The frame per second is 24 frames per second. This is the model loading area. I'm using LTX 2.3 22 billion Distilled transformer. It's FP8 version, and the thing is, I'm using, I don't know why, but it's a good thing that we already have a Distilled model of this LTX 2.3. So you don't have to use a Distilled LoRA for this. You're already getting a turbo model out of the gate. So if you want to use this, you can use it, and you don't have to go beyond 4 steps or 8 steps maybe. And yeah, but if you sometimes I like to use the dev version, which is non-distilled version. It's a Q8 version, 22 billion to 2.3, right? The Q8 version is the highest quality compared to the FP8, and you can just use this model and add a Distilled LoRA, which is here. Okay, you will find it in the description. I'll list everything. Not the Distilled version. Distilled version is already a turbo model. You don't have to connect another one with that. So if you're using a Distilled version, don't use a Distilled LoRA. If you're using a Q8 version, go with the Distilled LoRA. Then I'm using a IC LoRA, which is a detailer for LTX 2.3 video model. So this is also good. You don't have to worry about this very much. And also I'm using 0.6. You can go with 0.82 if you want a better quality. But and there's this clip loader, again the same model, Gemma 3 LTX 2.3 text projection. This is the only one different. Then there's this video VAE and audio VAE to load audio and video, to process both of these together. Then there's this Spatial Upscaler into 2. Okay, so everything is same. Then I'm using an image of me. This is also created by Nano Pro, because I want a higher quality Nano Pro, because why not? You can create it for free, I guess, for now. If I want the output of 1024 by 1024, it will half that resolution and process the image first and create a 512 by 512 of this video. Then it will upscale it using the 2.3 Spatial Upscaler, and it will upscale the video and give you the same output, like 1024 by 1024, which is good because it doesn't process every single information at the same time. It cuts it out for different parts. So yeah, the clip text node is very I didn't give it a lot of prompt, because I don't want to hallucinate the model, like do this and do that. It's a very simple, because I'm using an audio and the video is very simple, and complex motion is not needed. So I'm using animation move of a young man at a studio. He looks at the camera and talks. Accurate lip sync to the input audio, realistic video, 4K quality. The guy is using subtle hands movement. All right, very basic prompt. Down here is the voice clone, which is important to clone your voice if you want to use your AI avatar with your voice, right? Now, I'm using Qwen TTS, it's very good. For me, it's more than enough. What you have to do is, for voice cloning, this is what is happening here is, you have to load your audio, just create a script, read it out loud, and make sure you talking in a very natural way, right? And then I've trimmed the audio 24 seconds, but it uses 5 to 15 seconds only to process or clone the audio. Then there's this vocal extraction of vocal stems from the audio, and then it goes to the Qwen 3 TTS model node. So there are two things which is happening here: reference transcribe, which is good. It's optional. The audio sample, you have to transcribe it words. So I've put it here, and then the prompt, what I want to say: hey everyone, welcome to AI Jigyasa, your daily dose of AI news and updates, blah blah. So that's there. So I'm using a 0.6 billion model, which is more than enough. After audio, it goes to the this is like a math node to set frames, how many frames that your video is going to take based on the audio that you're using as an input. So basically you're putting an input, and it will decide how many seconds are there, and then it will convert into the frames, right? And the frames that you will the video is going to process, the model is going to process 265 based on my written or the audio, right? So after that, it's going to go into LTX audio latent. It will prepare the LTX latent here for image. Then the first sampler is this, the first pass. I'm using 8 steps, CFG is 1, URL ancestral sampler. Let me know if you find a better sampler than this. It goes to another, basically it passes the first passes. If after the first pass is done, you get here in the second pass and upscale it, and then you get the video. Now what is the video? What kind of video that I get, right? So this is the video first of all.
Hey everyone, welcome to AI Jigyasa, your daily dose of AI news and updates. That's it for today's update. See you in the next one, and don't forget to follow for more daily AI insights. Take care.
Look at him. He's talking without fumble, without thinking, and he's a natural. Not natural, but he's an AI. I'm natural. That's why I'm doing this. I'm going to edit also this video. But all right. So as you can see, I've created a lot of videos here, and let me show you some videos. So I've showed you this. This was, I think.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Jigyasa.
You already saw this, right? This is LTX2 generation. How about this one? This is also created by this is a LTX 2.3 generation. It's not good with the motion. If I'm being honest. I mean, you can create shots with good motions, but if there's some fast motion in the video, it will hallucinate and fuck it up. So yeah, it's not good. After all, it's an open source model, right? And I can't even use the whole thing. Other here.
I remember after your kids came along, your mom said something to me I never quite.
This is LTX 2.3 without any editing. This is raw output, which is, I mean, this is good. What? Here's the one.
Women is saying something emotionally, like, I know this will
I don't know.
But I was women just saying that emotionally, I know this will work.
The texture quality is good, right? But it still feels that I think the Distilled LoRA has bigger value in these. That's why it's very sharp and into your face. I mean, this is also, I think, Qwen 2.3, sorry, LTX 2.3.
I didn't mean for it to happen this way.
I know. Oh.
But it's good with the emotions as well. This is also LTX 2.3. And it's good. It's quite good. I mean, the people around him out of the focus are not great looking, but you can upscale your video always, right? Not good, but still I like it for your if you want to create. This is weird, but let me show you this. What the hell? So you can create a lot of audio avatars of yourselves, where you are talking about something, or if you want to like open a news channel, AI news channel or something, right? So I've used this image, and I wrote the text that I want this person to say, and here's the video
On it. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm working on other than Comfy UI. I wanted to create something which can harness the power of Comfy UI and give a better UI to create short film, ads and other content. So I started working on it. It's an AI Jigyasa studio. Now,
I mean, the quality is good, right? I'm not going to. The thing with the LTX 2.3 is the motions are good, and the better the quality of your images, the better the quality you will get of the video. So this is also I have created and it's working now. So as you can see, these are
Video. Thanks.
let me sync this up. So if you want to sync your videos, just click on sync preview, and
Thanks for
every single one will be synced. So this is the render. This is generated using LTX2.
Guru 99 video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Guru 99 video.
Look at the textures on the blazer. It's very weird, right? Now look at this one. These three are created using LTX 2.3. Maybe I've changed. I think I've changed from Distilled to LTX Q8. Maybe I used some different values and I created these three. And as you can see, the hand gestures are very different, right? Every single time. The face is also, the motions are also different, and the textures are now quite better, I would say. right? Yep. Let me clear these. So let me show you the console also, like how much time it takes to create all of this. So as you can see, it took me 6 minutes 20 seconds to create this video, and it's a 14-second video, which is, I think, good. Yeah, I think that's it for today. If you like the video, keep a thumbs up. I am trying my best to keep up with the AI scene and creating YouTube videos, but again, I don't know. So I started creating this. As if you heard this, what
Other than Comfy UI, I wanted to create something which can harness the power of Comfy UI and give a better UI to create short film, ads, and other content. So I started working on it. It's an AI Jigyasa studio.
basically I'm working on a AI Jigyasa studio. It's an open source tool, you can say. So this is it. It can create script, from script to scenes, and then characters, images of the scenario, I mean what the scene is required, then videos, image to video basically, and then audio, if you require any audio in the I mean it can create sound. Then there's this lip sync editing tool, and then there's this export. So it's in beta. I mean, it's not even a beta, I'm just working on it. It's a prototype right now. It's working on from script to characters. So I'm creating this to basically, I'll share this with every subscriber that I have when it's completed. It will take a lot of time for sure, and it uses Comfy UI in the background to generate images and videos, and for generating story and characters Bible, it uses, I have connected this to LM Studio. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this, and I'm still working on it. So yeah, so that's it for today, I think. And if you like the video, thumbs up, share the video if you want to someone who would like to create this kind of videos, and let me know what you want me to check next. If you want to create something and you can't create it for some reason, let me know, and I'll help you, like how you can create that, right? So thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.